Hello, everybody. Right then. So, this is all about episode number 5. And what we're doing is we're showing you exactly how we went about the process of buying these meta buying ads. So, in other words, we tried to use all of the platforms belonging to Meta. That is, of course, Facebook, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and Facebook WhatsApp. But full disclosure, we did have a problem there with Facebook WhatsApp. It didn't want to work with us. So in the end, it ended up being a meta buying session, let's say, for the platforms known as Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger. But we want to show you everything so that you can see there the good with the bad. And we were able to buy there these strategies. They're within less than 20 minutes. There, the whole thing, the whole process took about 28 minutes, but that was because we lost some time to trying to configure WhatsApp. It wanted to download another application, WhatsApp Business, and we've already got WhatsApp, and we've already got WhatsApp Business, so it wouldn't let us. So anyway, the great news is that I'm going to share my screen with you, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass you over to Patrick. And Patrick, he's one of our media buyers, one of our youngest media buyers, and he's also my son. And he's going to be showing you, he's going to be doing this, and he's going to be going out there and purchasing, publishing. There are these 3 ads that we've decided on. Now, full disclosure, we have decided on a number of things with myself, with Akila, the career development coach, with Matthew, one of the media buyers, with Atif, another one of the media buyers, and with Patrick. So we discussed all of these strategies there in advance. We did all of our homework. In other words, we sharpened the saw. Yeah, you remember that famous saying, Abraham Lincoln, if you give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. So that's what we did here. So in the essence, in the end, what happened was it came across very, very, very quickly. Okay. So let me just show you then. This is the thumbnail. I'll share my screen. Okay, share screen. Right. So you can now see the screen. So this is the thumbnail that we've chosen. So this is Patrick. And full stack media buying. This is episode number 5. This is a meta media buying for the Taekwondo coach. Now we've also got the 2 creatives there that we've chosen. So we've got this one here with all of the reinforcements, all of the different variations, and we've also labeled them appropriately. So we've labeled the Ukrainian one, the text that's in Ukrainian, and we've labeled the text that is in Russian as well. Okay, down here at the bottom, we've brought in the branding, we've brought in their different ideas, and we're going to be using 2 of these for this ad buying session. And then at the same time, the media buyers are going to be thinking about another 3 variations. Remember, the creative is the single most important thing that you're going to do in these ads, because it's the creative, the visual, that they're going to see first. So this has to be stunning and it has to work. We know these ones work. So this is why we're using these. And again, we're doing the same here. We're looking at, we've got the Ukrainian ad creative 02, and then we've got the Russian ad creative 02. So that's it in Russian, that's it in Ukrainian. Okay, and also there, if we look here, there we've got a sheet there that we've built up with all of the names, etc., with all of the decisions that have been made. So we're going to do 3 ads. Ad 1 in Ukrainian with the trainer image. That's the image that I've just shown you with the trainer holding the 2 children and are walking the 2 children towards the dojo, at the place where they practice this Taekwondo martial arts sport with the coach. And then the second ad is in Russian, again with the trainer image. And the third ad is going to be bilingual with the 2 kids sparring image. So the Russian text is going to go first, Ukrainian text second, and then to balance things out, both the creative, the heading, the description, so in other words, the subheading, and the call to action will be in Ukrainian language. So there you've got Ukrainian there to sort of start them off, and then Russian to get them in, and then further on it goes into to the Ukrainian text. So we're going to be launching these ads at 0004, midnight 04, so 4 minutes into the new day to give the algorithm there that time to catch up. We're going to be launching 3 ads initially with a budget of 20 per day. So the total cost will be obviously 60 per day, and then we're going to review. We're going to review after 1 day, after about 36 hours. We're going to be reviewing again after 3 days, just to make sure that this ad is still performing. Now, the results that we're looking to receive, we're aiming for, and this is what we've set our target at, 4 to 5 direct messages. So for example, the messages will be going to Messenger and not to WhatsApp, because as you'll see in a moment, we couldn't actually configure WhatsApp. Technical problems. So where are we targeting? We're targeting Poznan. We've decided not to target the state or to target the country or to target the specific area or barrio or neighborhood, whatever you want to call it. So this is what we've done, and we're going to be launching 33% of our budget for the Ukrainian ad, 33% for the Russian ad, and 33% for the bilingual ad. That only should have one percentage sign. Right, so we know the creatives that we're going to be using. We're going to be using 2 creatives. One creative will be used for 2 ads, but it'll be in 2 different languages, and one creative will be the bilingual one. Okay. And then at the same time, then we're also thinking about the future. So we've got a number of translation strings that have been provided to us there that we have to now get translated, because Google Translate, full disclosure, is a little bit SH1T. So these are the translation strings there that we're going to agree on. And this is how we're going to bring these ads further. So we're going to introduce this free t-shirt for all attendees. We're going to enter this, we've discussed this with the coach. It'll probably be a uniform reduction price. So in other words, they'll get a reduction on their uniform. So this is the one that's going to be more likely. Second option, more likely, because these uniforms are quite expensive. They're about 300, 400. So this is what we have to try to budget. And then one of the other great bonus points that came up, your kids don't actually have to sit around and play video games. And again, that's shown in one of the creatives. Keep the kids away from TV so that they can build mental and physical strength and wellness. Okay, so we're going to be putting these into the ad reinforcements. So not into this ad, because we still have to get those translation strings. Now here are the translation strings that we prepared. This is our subheading over here in cells F14 and F15, and for the Russian in G15, G14 and G15. Okay, so this is the subheading, and then the main one will be the Taekwondo for the children, age 6 to 15 years of age. And then these are all of the translation strings. So this is it in English, in column B. In column C, it's in Ukrainian. In column D, it's in Russian. So what you'll see is there, you're going to see in a few moments, Patrick. And Patrick is going to be going through all of these and explaining what he's doing, what he's copying and pasting from all of these different things. Now, he's got 3 screens up in front of him, just like I have. So he'll be looking at the canvas screens here. He'll be looking at the translation strings here. And he'll also be looking at the messages that are coming in from the coach on WhatsApp on one of the other screens. Okay, and we were trying to get the confirmation code, etc., out of it, but we couldn't. So anyway, without further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass you over to Patrick, and Patrick is going to show you how in less than 20 minutes, they're excluding the WhatsApp, let's say, faux pas, how we managed to buy this set of three ad sets for the Taekwondo coach. One in Russian, a language that we do not speak at all, full disclosure, into Ukrainian, a language which we do not speak at all, full disclosure, and to both sets of languages, which again, obviously we don't speak at all. Right, so anyway, without further ado, let's pass you over to Patrick and let's get started. The very first thing we did, because full disclosure, we forgot to record this in the video. We pressed the record button after. So the first thing that we did was we went to the business.facebook.com ad manager, and then we have to go to the ad account belonging to this Taekwondo coach. So talk them through then, Patrick, please, what you're doing here.
Okay, so I added the campaign name on this cell in this tab.
Yes, cell number, what is it?
C39.
C39. So C39, this is the campaign name. And what type of ads are you running, Patrick? Is it engagement, traffic, awareness?
This is
Traffic.
traffic, yeah.
Yes. So the first one there we're going to do is for the campaign 01, and we're going to run a series of traffic ads. Right. So that's fine. There we don't have to worry about the categories. Traffic objection, that's fine. Yeah, we've chosen a traffic campaign objective. Right, off we go then, that's fine. We're not going to do the A/B testing here yet, so we go next. So now at the next point, we have to do the ad set name. So go back to the sheet, choose the ad set name. Brilliant. And go. Right, ad set name. So this is obviously the first ad for the Russian. So this is going to use the first Russian creative. Messaging apps, that's fine. Brilliant. And we've set it up for Messenger, we've set it up for Taekwondo, for Instagram, and for WhatsApp. Choose WhatsApp as well there, Patrick, please. Okay. Right then, so continue on.
So just unbox it.
No, that's okay. That'll go to his, yeah, WhatsApp. Right, so we go down now. So the daily budget, what did we decide? 3 ads at 20 zlotys each. Yeah, so the daily budget will be 20. Right. And then the start time, what's the start time going to be, Patrick?
12.
Yeah.
Because it's
Yeah, change the date first.
for this date or
Yes. Change the when it's going to go live, Monday. And then at what time? So type in 00. Right. 0004. Perfect. Well done. Right. Never set an end date because if you do, Facebook deletes it. Right. That's fine. Don't worry about increasing the budget. Right. So include location. So we want to include the location for Poznan. Right. So search locations and put in Poznan. There we go. Right. Selected Poznan. Well done. Brilliant. Right then. Right. So off we go. Right. Right. Then that's fine. Right. There. And then we go next. Right.
What's that?
It's telling us what to take off the. Right. Okay. Let's try it anyway. Let's see what'll happen. Right. So give it the traffic ad name. So the ad name, the one in orange. Yeah. Very good. Right. Right. And then what we have to do is we have to create the single image in the video. Right. Brilliant. Setup creative.
Well,
So image ad.
okay.
Right. So what's going to be the primary text?
Done.
Taekwondo. Poznan. Dla dzieci. So it's this text here, and you see that you've got the right-hand side. So the first one that we're doing is the Russian one, yes? So take this for the for Russian. Where is it? Russian is here. Sorry, we've got this on the other screen. So take this. Right. Okay, chat with us. So what's going to be the headline? There, the first 2 lessons are free. Yeah, so take that from the text strings. So go to the thing because we have to put this in Russian. So go to your the D tab, the D Chrome instance. See, we've got these all in different Chrome instances so that we can handle this. So go to the tab label TKD translation strings. Okay. Now up at the top, then we've got one of those ones. Is it? Let's go all the way up to the top. Right. There, you take the one for the Russian. Yes, take the one for the Russian in D4. D4. Okay, and I think that's a good idea also to take the Taekwondo, right? So take the,
That's the same as this.
yeah, so take for the primary text, then take Taekwondo,
Oh, okay.
so in Russian, yeah. So go back to cell C2, very good. Right. And then the description there, the bonus description should be, as we discussed, there are the two lessons for free. So go back, choose the text string. The way it's handy there, if you go down there to the bottom on the left-hand side there, you should see it. Yes, your child can even try the first two lessons. Right. So take that one there. Well done. Right. Right. And which one is it? Learn more. Because this is what we've used in the copy. Right. So now this is the point where we upload the images.
So I have to download them.
Yes. So download the image. So we're using the one for, what is it? Russian add one. So this is add two. So then take this one. And we've labeled the images appropriately in Canva.
I have to download them all.
Just download them one by one. So just download, what is it, number 5. So just go share, download, download, whichever one it is, number 5, isn't it? Right, and download. Brilliant. Well done. Okay, now you've got to upload it here. Right, very good. Yeah, cool. Everything's in there, isn't it? Right. It's rubbish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
This one, skip and continue.
Yeah.
Okay. Looks good.
Yeah, looks good, doesn't it? Right, so then we click done. Right, so we've got it inside all of the formats. Now, what format should we be putting it out in? Which one should we not be putting it out in?
Word format.
You see over there on the right hand side, there we've got all of the different formats. Yeah. And there you can see there, for example, destination. Look at the destination. Right. Now you see the ones on the left hand side now. It's now come up with some of them. Go a bit further up or down. Yeah. So there slowly. See Facebook search results. No, go the other way. So now slowly, slowly, stop, 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 stop. Feeds, in-stream ads for videos and reels. Right. See, click on the feeds in stream. Right, what have we got there? See, where is the audience network? Make sure that we've turned it off. Facebook Marketplace. Don't think we need that. Take it off. Right, Facebook Marketplace.
Android users.
Oh, okay. All right, drag it to the bin. Again, no, no, no. So that'll do all the 11 placements. Right, okay, then just leave that for the moment. Let's get the rest of the ad set up. And then, right, so primary text, there we've got that. Headline, we've got the headline. Uh, right, and right. Okay, call to actions, learn more. So now we have to put in the text for the ad. So there, that will be, let me see, up a little bit on the left-hand side, sorry. There, right, slowly. There, now what we're trying to do is we're trying to put in the text. Right, so let's see, go back to your ad, the way that the ad is displayed here. That's it. Okay, now we've got to put in the the text, right? So you see where it says Taekwondo on the left-hand side, right? So there, I think this is the parts there that we have to start adding, right? Primary text. Okay, so let's go there. Let's put in, let's try to put in all of our text there, Patrick, from the strings. Yeah. So take that. Now take all of it, all of column D, basically, except for the first C1 and C2, right? So let's select it all. Brilliant. Okay. Now let's try to put them there. Okay. Great. Now, what does that look like above the fold? Look good? Yes. Brilliant. And then we've got the stuff underneath it. Perfect. Perfect.
And this is the placement.
Oh, these are the placements. Okay. So can we see the right? Look at Facebook. Right. See, is there anything else there? You see in the drop down box, there's no other choices that we can make.
No.
No. Right. Okay. So we have to set that up somewhere else. Right then. So now what we've got to do is we've got to there get that ready. Yeah. Right. So then, right, we've checked that everything's in it. It's in Russian. Da 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 da. Right. So now we're going to go publish. Publish. Okay. So then you see you have to wait. Right. Okay.
It's not up here, right?
Right. So view the details of the setup where it's there at the bottom. What is it? It's in Polish. What's it telling you to do?
It's telling me to
Right. So we have to
not
cancel
use
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Okay. Right. So we can't use WhatsApp. Right. So turn off WhatsApp. Okay. There we go. No, turned off. No, it's turned back on. Now remember, at this state, it's ready for publishing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And when's it going to go out? When's it going to go live?
Tomorrow at 0004.
Yeah, tomorrow at 0004. Okay, so do you know how easy it is now?
What's the budget for these losses?
No, we put it for 20, didn't we?
Yeah.
Right, okay, that's good, well done. Right, so now to clone this, then Patrick, what do you have to clone or quickly duplicate?
That.
The ad set.
Yeah, on set.
The ad set. So go to your ad set. Right. So what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate the original campaign.
Okay.
Right. So then you can put in 2 copies because we're going to do 2 copies. Yep. Brilliant. Right. So now then, it's fine. Brilliant. So now go to your ads there, Patrick, for this one. Just the ad sets now will stay the same. So now what we have to do is we have to go to the ad and we have to copy the Ukrainian.
This?
Yes, that's the name of the ad set. Very good. All the way at the top.
Wait.
Oh, you see on the very left-hand side there, Patrick, you see where it says copy? Should have like 3 little buttons there. And then you could do, what is it? Then that's fine. Okay, we'll be able to, oh, there you go. There's the name of it there at the moment. So this is the Ukrainian ad set. So then change your
Clear
text.
this.
Yes, very good. Right. I wouldn't have the Taekwondo up at the top because it's already
is.
got, yeah. So remove those first two lines.
So we don't want Taekwondo on the top or not?
No, 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 no. Let's try it here with just the 6 to the 15. Because you see in the creative, you're already saying Taekwondo. Okay. Ah, and then what's the headline? The headline is the same as the last one.
This?
Yeah, no, 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 no. It was, what was it for the other one? Remember, you can flick back and see. Chat does.
Changed. Okay.
Yeah,
What was it?
it was, I think it was the Taekwondo for the children this year. Taekwondo for children.
Which is what?
You should have it in the strings. Way up at the top. You see at the very beginning he says, there we've got all of there. That's it. Yeah. Taekwondo. Right. Right. Yeah. There for the children. Right. So take one of those ones. Taekwondo for children 6 to 15. Taekwondo plus.
Which one?
So which one are we doing now? We're doing the Russian one. Right. So take the Russian from 6 to 15 together with the Taekwondo because this is for the heading. So Patrick's trying to copy the text. Right. And before that, then Patrick put it in Taekwondo from the Russian. Okie dokie. Right. Here we go. Right then, learn more. Very good. Okay. Then you have to do the same in the Ukrainian ad. So the text then will be Taekwondo in Ukrainian plus the other stuff.
Produced. Description. Context.
Yeah.
Did I put it? No, this is somewhere Ukrainian.
Yeah, it's already in Ukrainian. So the primary text is already in Ukrainian,
So just the description,
just the description.
which is what?
So the description is the bonus, the first two lessons for free. So go to your translation strings, right? And you see there on the left-hand side where it says in English, first two lessons for free, right? So copy that. So which one are we doing? We're doing Russian or Ukrainian, yeah. Oh, hold on, but that says Russian. Oh yeah, that says Russian up at the top, doesn't it? What are we
This
doing?
is the copy. It's Ukrainian.
Right, okay, this is Ukrainian. Right, okay. Right, so now you just have to change those names there. You see the name in the middle where it says ad set Russian.
Yeah, how do I do it?
Right.
It doesn't want to change.
Okay, and whenever you go all the way up to the top, it doesn't allow you. There it does. You see in that tab there? Yeah. Right. Move the copy.
So
Right. So that's all okay now. That's in Ukrainian. Da 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 da. Everything that they've got there, it's all okay. Publish. Brilliant. Well done. Okay. Now what we've got to do is we've got to do that now. So go back now to your ad set for the other one.
where?
So let's say if you click on one of those, Patrick, it should show you it. So just
Why
go.
is there just one?
There's just one ad at the moment, isn't there? Right, so go to your ad sets. Right, there. So go to the one that says on hyphen copy, the one at the top.
Yep.
Right, and edit that. Right, so first of all, you can rename it, yeah. So this is the bilingual one. No, it's not Russian one. It's bilingual, B-I-L. See where it says RUS? Change it to B-I-L. So this is the one that's going to be in both languages. Right, okay. So then, so you go into that, go to edit. Right, now you go down to the text, go to your ad at the top. There you go. Right, now change the ad name to bilingual. So just from RUS to BIL. Right, and here we're going to use the second creative, yes. So edit your media. Right, edit media. And then take the second creative from Canva, download it. The other one, the other image to children, yeah. So take that.
Which one?
Take which text will we start with? No, let's start with the Russian text and let's use the Ukrainian creative because this one is the one in both languages. Okay, right. Take the Ukrainian one. Down it goes. Right. So now upload it here from your Total Commander. Brilliant. Well done. Okay. Very good. Right. Yeah, you see those ad preview buttons, they just show you what the ad's going to look like. Right, so you've got the text here, and this text is currently in Russian. Yes?
Which text?
This text.
Yes.
Yes?
I think. I don't know.
Check it there from the thing. What we can even do is just, you can just copy them again.
Yes,
if
it's
you
in
don't.
Russian.
Yeah. Right, that's in Russian. So underneath it then, I want you to put that in Ukrainian.
Which?
You see underneath the very last two things? Yeah. So now copy the strings from the other language. From the top. Yeah. Take it from the top. Yeah. Copy. Very good. Well done. So now we've got it Russian and Ukrainian. Brilliant.
The line.
Uh, the headline should be in, let's say, in Ukrainian. And then the description should also be in Ukrainian. Because we've led with the Russian text, so then this balances it. So we've got a Ukrainian creative, we've got a Ukrainian headline, we've got a Ukrainian description, but the primary text begins in Russian and then it goes into the Ukrainian text. Excellent. Well done. Perfect. Okay. Right. It's all ready. Publish. There you go. What did I tell you? How long did I tell you this would take, Patrick?
10 minutes.
No, what did I say to you at breakfast?
10 minutes.
No, what did I say to you
No,
at
you
breakfast?
said 10 minutes.
What did I say to you at
said
breakfast?
10 minutes.
Well, okay. How long has it taken us? See this? What does the clock say?
Half an hour.
28 minutes. 28 minutes. We've published
10
three
minutes.
ads.
10 minutes. Yeah.
We've published 3 ads in 2 languages that we do not speak. Yeah. So stop the recording now. Thank you all for watching. Patrick, you've got what it takes. Have you? Now, if you think you've got what it takes to become a full stack media buyer, then here's how to get in touch. This is our website, our email address, our LinkedIn, our Facebook page, our WhatsApp number, and this is our Twitter or our X page. See you on the other side.